We had a hearing back on March 14th, 2024. During our hearing, we requested that the charges against Megan and Vic be dismissed. We were very fortunate today that we got a copy of the order from the judge dismissing the charges against both Megan and Vic.
Judge Roger Young's order basically says, with the number of years since the murder happened and the fact that there's no new evidence and that dozens of people involved in the case are no longer with us to be cross-examined in court, the Turners could not receive a fair trial. The charges were dismissed with prejudice, meaning they cannot be charged again later.
I'm just glad it's over with. It's been 30-some years coming. It's been over 30 years we haven't been able to talk. We've been under suspicion. And our life has just been a hell over all of this.
The Turners say they did not kill Justin.
The investigation, when it first started, everything went so wrong, we could never say anything.
I feel like they've done a very poor case in the very beginning when they were there the whole time.
They both maintain there was never evidence they killed Justin either. At the hearing in March, the Turners' attorney told the judge about new information that a serial killer had arrived in Charleston the same day Justin went missing. However, Judge Young specifically said in his ruling that it was not based on that information. Ninth Circuit Solicitor Scarlett Wilson sent me a statement that says in part, quote, "Just as Sheriff Lewis has honored the oath of his office and his commitment to this community in pursuing justice for Justin, Judge Young has upheld the oath of his office by following the law. Furthermore, mistakes that were made 35 years ago could not be remedied." Sheriff Dwayne Lewis's statement said in part, quote, "Berkeley County cold case detectives worked tirelessly to bring justice to victims and families. This is not the outcome we were seeking. However, we understand the technicality of prosecuting cases from crimes that occurred years ago." Justin Lee Turner's family also released a statement that says in part, quote, "Sheriff Lewis promised to do everything he could, and that's exactly what he did. Today, our justice system failed an innocent 5-year-old boy. In my opinion, based off the overwhelming evidence, the ones responsible for Justin's death had the chance to face justice here, but instead chose to stay silent and face the final justice handed out by God for eternity." When asked who she thinks killed Justin, Megan said,
I don't know.